Right. So coming to the topic, the chapter is electric charges and fields. In that, the first topic is electrostatics. It is defined as it is a branch of physics which deals with the concept of electric forces, electric fields, electric potentials, and electrical energy due to the charges at rest state. So clearly I mentioned statics means which is at rest state. Okay. So when the charge is at rest state, we are going to learn electric forces, electric fields, electric potentials as well as electrical energies in this chapter. Okay. Now coming to the introduction of atom. Okay. As we know that every matter is made up of atoms as well as molecules. Okay. Suppose if you take any atom, the central part is called nucleus. So inside the nucleus both protons as well as neutrons was exist and electrons. So here these are the electrons which are revolving around the nucleus. Let us assume, look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons was present and inside the nucleus also 6 protons was present. If number of electrons is balanced by the number of protons, then the atom is stable and the charge is neutral charge. Charge is neutral charge. Okay. Now coming to the headline, that is charge. So charge is the fundamental property of a particle which produces both electric and magnetic field. So how a charge creates electric field as well as magnetic field? Very simple. If the charge is at rest state, it creates only electric field. If the same charge is moving with some velocity or constant speed, then it creates magnetic field or electromagnetic field. Okay. Now this charge which is classified into two types, one is a positive charge, another one is negative charge. So before this definition, first I will tell you one example and then we can enter into the positive charge as well as negative charge. Okay. So look at here, we have two atoms, one is a glass atom, another one is silk atom. Earlier discussion I told you already atom introduction, same like that. So the central parts is called nucleus and inside the nucleus both protons as well as electrons was exist. Both protons as well as neutrons was exist. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay. Now if you bring this both glass as well as silk atoms very close to each other and if you rub like this, so during the rubbing process some electrons transfers from glass to silk atom. Okay. So before rubbing, here we have 4 electrons, here we have 3 electrons. So after rubbing, some electrons transferred from glass to silk. Suppose 1 electrons transferred from glass to silk. Now here it becomes 4 electrons, here it becomes 3 electrons. So that means after rubbing, silk atom acquires some electrons. That means it acquires more electrons. So whenever the majority will be more electrons, that is called negative charge. Okay. So negative charge means excess number of electrons present in a body is called negative charge. The best example of negative charge is electron. Charge of electron is Q is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. And SI unit of charge is coulomb. This is already you know. And mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So the negative charge finished. So whenever an electron is transferred from glass to silk atom, so previously it contains 4 electrons, 1 electron transferred, so it contains only 3 electrons. That means the number density of electrons was less here. That is nothing but a deficiency of electrons. So positive charge means deficiency of electrons in a body is called positive charge. The best example of positive charge is proton. Charge of proton is plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs and mass of the proton is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Okay. So I hope you understand. Thank you.